counties in Illinois: McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesday. West, south winds 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central and east central Illinois. When? From 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ71 listening area, a wind advisory has been issued from 6 a.m. Tuesday until 2 p.m. Tuesday for the following counties: McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford. The time is currently 1:49 p.m. Central Standard Time.